Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to fix Instagram filters not working. Now if you're facing an issue where you're trying to apply a particular filter on Instagram and you cannot see any of the filters. Now this is not a serious issue. You can fix it within a couple of steps. First thing that you can do is you can try to update the app of Instagram. Open up your Play Store and the App Store and then search for Instagram. Now if there is an update, you can tap on update and update the app. Updating apps helps to fix these kind of bugs which may be causing that issue. Now the second thing that you can do, if this does not help to solve the issue, you can try to uninstall the app of Instagram from your phone. And once the app has been uninstalled, you can again open up the Play Store or the App Store and download the application. Once the app has been downloaded, now you can log into your account by typing in your credentials. And once you do that, your problem should be pretty much fixed and you should see all of the filters working without having issues. Now if this still does not work, that means Instagram system is having an issue right now. If that is the case, then you cannot do anything to fix it. The only thing that you can do is you need to wait out a couple of hours before Instagram fixes the issue. And once they have fixed it, try checking out the filters again and you should be pretty much good to go. So that's how exactly you can fix Instagram filters not working. Subscribe to our channel if you guys liked and found this video helpful. That's pretty much it for today, and I'll be back with similar videos. Thanks for watching.